Next problem is, prove that in a triangle capital R is greater than or equal to 2 times small r, where capital R is what? Circumcircle radius, and small r is what? In radius. So this we have to prove. Now solution. We know in a triangle relation between small r and capital R. So small r equal to what? 4 times capital R sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. This we know. Okay. We know ABC is what? Angles of triangle. So ABC is what? Positive. And A plus B plus C should be what? Pi. So from here we can say that A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to what? Pi by 2. And from here we can say that A by 2 comma B by 2 comma C by 2. Okay, these three angles lies between 0 to pi by 2. Okay, these three angles what? Greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Okay, now we are taking one function y equal to sine x. We know the graph of sine x. Okay, we are taking graphs of sine x in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So this is 0 and this is pi by 2. Okay, so y equal to sine x graph is what? Concave, downward in the interval x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so in the interval 0 to pi by 2 we know this graph is what? Concave downward. Okay, so here we are taking 3 points. One is what? X1. X1 is what? A by 2. X2 is what? B by 2. And X3 is what? C by 2. Okay, and here we are using Jensen inequalities. Okay, so with respect to x1, y1 is what? Sine A by 2. Okay, and y2 is what? Sine B by 2. And y3 will be what? Sine C by 2. Okay, so we will get this one. So according to Jensen inequalities, we can say that f of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3 divided by 3 is always less than or equal to f of x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. This we can say. Okay, what is f of x1? F of x1 is what? Sine A by 2. X2 is what? F of x2 is what? Sine B by 2, and f of x3 is what? Sine C by 2. So here what will come? Sine of A by 2 plus sine of B by 2 plus sine of C by 2 divided by 3 is less than or equal to sine of x1 plus x2 plus x3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is what? A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 divided by 3. This will come. So from here we can say that sine of A by 2 plus sine of B by 2 plus sine of C by 2 is less than or equal to 3 times sine of A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is what? Pi by 2. So if you put here pi by 2, what will come? Pi by 6. This will come. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Next is what? We know that A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. That means sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2 is what? Positive. So in these three angles we are using AMGM. Okay, so sine A by 2 comma sine B by 2 comma sine C by 2, okay, are greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0, so positive number. So here we are using AMGM. Okay, so what we can say? Sine A by 2 into sine B by 2 into sine C by 2 to the power 1 by 3 is always less than or equal to sine of A by 2 plus sine of B by 2 plus sine of C by 2 divided by 3. Okay, GM is less than equal to EM. So we are using GM is less than equal to EM. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Now what we are doing? Equation 1 and equation 2 we are multiplying. Okay, multiply 1 into 2. So here we can say that this side and this one is getting cancelled. So what will come? This one? Sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2 to the whole power 1 by 3. And in this side what will come? 3 sine pi by 6 divided by 3. So this will come what? 3 less than or equal to 3 sine pi by is what? 1 by 2 divided by 3. So 3 getting cancelled. So from here what will come? Sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. Okay, we are taking cube both sides. So this is less than or equal to 1 by 2 cube, that is 8. Now here we are multiplying 4 times capital R. So 4 times capital R, if you multiply, what will come? 4R sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2 is less than or equal to 4R divided by 8. This will come. And this is nothing but what? Small r, because this is R. So small r is less than or equal to, if you simplify this one, what will come? R by 2.